Yo. So this is cool. Gotta love 511, right? Quick visit to 511. Pop in here. Need some new shoes, right? Because my current ones are just not keeping up. They're not 511. Oh, so check this out. These new, what are these things called, man? They are aggressive. They're cool. They look like civilian shoes. The Atlas Mid shoe. Yo. Boom. Not too tactical, but cool enough. I'm wearing mine out of the store. I don't want all of you guys to go and get them because I don't want to be all matching shoes next time I come to SHOT Show or the range or whatever, but I do want you guys to know how outstanding they are. 511 is fam. So, hey, you guys get a second, go check out the 511 Atlas. Those shoes are off the hook. Go check it out. Learn about the stabilizing plate, what they got inside these shoes. What do we got? And this is the Atlas shoe, right?
Yeah, insole.
Ain't even got to go buy a new insole.
Stabilizing plate.
What?
Feel that.
Oh, this is like hard. This is like, wow. That's what's up. And this is specifically for
the Atlas system. So it'll work in the mids. It comes with the mids. It comes with the 8-inch boots, but it will work in the trainers too if you want to add a little bit more stability to your trainer.
Nice versatility in the tennis shoe.
Yep.
Boom.